friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you all are absolutely fine. So let us start our today's video. आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आप सभी को गार्डनिंग की फाइल का एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक शेयर करने वाली हूँ जो कि डेली लाइफ से भी बहुत ही कनेक्टेड है. सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज़ द पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. इसके बारे में हम सभी को पता होना चाहिए. फ्रॉम आवर जूनियर क्लासेस वी नो दैट द बेसिक पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट आर roots, stem, fruits, seeds, leaf and the flowers. First of all, we will learn about roots. There are two types of the root: tap roots, adventitious roots. There are further modifications in the tap roots, that is conical roots, fusiform roots, napiform root, tuberous roots. Then comes the modification in the adventitious roots, which involves the slit roots, prop roots, fibrous roots and climbing roots. As you can see in the coming pictures, these are the different modifications of adventitious roots. Then comes the sucking roots. Then there are functions of the roots which involves the anchoring, absorption, conditioning of the roots plays very important role in supporting the whole plant, and after that they do store the food, and there are some additional factors. Apart from the roots, stem is also an important part of the plant which is above the ground. There are twinners and the trailers. Therefore the twinners are climbing plant and trailers are weak and thin long shoots in the nature. As you can see the adventitious roots in the ginger plant. Then comes the underground modification of the stem, which is seen in the rhizome. They have nodes and the internodes. The examples are the ginger and the turmeric plant. Then comes the tubers, which are the swollen tips of the special underground branches. Then come the functions of the stem. First one is that it supports the plant. Then comes the transportation. It helps in the transportation. It stores the food. Then comes the reproduction, and it also safeguard the plant. Then come the leaf. Therefore the three main parts of the leaf are petiole, leaf base and the leaf blade. Therefore leaf is considered as the another important part of the plant. There are many types of the leaf, but here we will discuss about only simple and the compound leaf. Then comes the functions of the leaf. Functions of the leaf involves the photosynthesis, which involves the preparation of the food, and then the transpiration. Then comes the flower. Therefore you can see the picture of the flower. Flower is the most colorful and the beautiful part of the plant. Therefore the flower consists of the essential and the non-essential part. Therefore the essential part consists of the male reproductive part of the flower, as you can see in the picture. Then comes the female reproductive part of the flower, you can also see in the picture. Therefore the male reproductive part of the plant consists of anther and the filament, and the female reproductive part of the flower consists of the sigma, style and ovary. Then comes the fruit. Ovary changes into the fruit and ovules changes into the seeds. Thanks for watching. Stay happy and stay safe. Keep on learning. Bye bye.